नमस्कार। सीटेट की दिसंबर की एग्ज़ाम में एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज़ के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के साथ इस बार मैं आई हूँ। तो देखते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज़ द मेन एम ऑफ अ गुड असाइनमेंट इन ईवीएस? आंसर इज एक्सटेंसिव लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. As a EVS teacher, if you are asked to organize a field trip to a zoo, then what should be the major objective? Answer is offer active learning experience to children. Suchi said, I cannot play cricket due to fever. I am going through shivering, fever, headache, and sweating. I have got my blood test done and the doctor has prescribed me heart medicines. Suchi might be suffering from which disease? Answer is malaria. The nature of environmental studies does not advocate that children get space to learn by doing. Children ask lot of questions. Children get a lot of space to explore. Children make fewer mistakes. Answer is children make fewer mistakes. Select from the following a group of disease caused by mosquitoes. Answer is dengue, malaria, chikungunya. Next question is EVS teaching should encourage process skill which are the core of the inquiry based learning. Which of the following is not a skill? Predicting, observing, determining, inferring. Answer is determining. Next question is mapping at primary level promote which of the following skill in learners? Neat drawing, calculations and study plan, drawing according to scale, idea about relative positions and orientations. Answer is idea about relative positions and orientations. Community is an important teaching learning resource in EVS at primary level because answer will be it provides learning opportunities in real setting. Next question is NCF has not recommended any prescribed curriculum and textbook for EVS for classes 1 and 2. The most appropriate reason for this is answer is to provide a contextual learning environment. Next question is which of the following should not be an appropriate indicator for assessment in EVS at primary level? A. Remembering, questioning, concern for justice and equality, and cooperation. Answer is remembering. Next question is which one of the following is not a characteristic feature of roots of banyan tree? Option A, their roots store the food. Option B, they are underground roots. C, roots hang down from the tree branches. And C, root providing support to tree like a pillar. Answer is their roots store the food. Which of the following place is termed as cold desert of our country? Answer is Ladakh. Next question is which one of the following is not a seed? Black pepper, wheat, sago, any seed. Answer is sago. Next question is as per NCF 2005, which of the following is the theme of EVS? A. Food, B. Weather, C. Energy, D. Solar system. Answer is food. Next question is Kuduk is a local language of the people of answer is Jharkhand. Next question is the neighboring states of Tamil Nadu are answer is Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Next question is experimentation is one of the indicators of assessment. Which of the following is the most appropriate way of assessing experimentation indicator? Answer is hands-on creativity. Interdisciplinary nature of EVS addresses environmental issues by using the contents and method of answer is science. Next question is which of the following is not a function of roots and plants? Storing food, providing humus, giving support to the plant, D. Absorbing water and minerals. Answer will be providing humus. Where is Mount Everest located? Answer is in Nepal. Which of the following activities have been responsible for disappearance of forests? Construction of dams, collection of leaves for trade purpose, making bamboo basket, making planted leaf out of the fallen leaves. Answer will be construction of dams. Next question is animal who were awake at night see objects in which color? Black and white. Next question is what is the name of the thin powdery structure present inside the petals of flowers? Answer is pollen. Next question is which of the following foods help in fighting iron deficiency? A. Rice, amla and lemon. Second option is amla, jaggery and green leafy vegetable. Green leafy vegetables and oranges. And D. Jaggery, lemon and rice. Answer will be amla, jaggery, greeny leafy vegetable. Next question is which of the following is not included under the formative assessment in EVS at primary stage? First option is identifying learning gaps, grading and ranking of students, identifying differences in teaching, enhancing learning of students. Answer is grading and ranking of the students.